Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, and today we're diving into the electrifying world of the 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance. This refreshed version of Tesla's popular sedan is nothing short of a statement, blending high-end technology, unmatched performance, and a futuristic design language that's sure to turn heads on the road. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 Model 3 Performance demands attention. Its sleeker, sharper front fascia gives it a more aggressive stance, with redesigned LED headlights that stretch out like focused eyes, giving the car a bold yet refined look. The signature Tesla Minimalist design remains intact, but this time it's even more aerodynamic, with subtle tweaks to the body lines that reduce drag and boost efficiency. Its low-slung profile, flush door handles, and glossy paint options, especially the new ultra silver finish, make it a rolling piece of modern art. Moving around to the rear, the taillights have been updated with a linear LED design that not only looks more futuristic but also enhances visibility. The reworked bumper and diffuser add a sporty touch, reflecting the car's high-performance DNA. Even the wheels have received an upgrade with a new turbine-style design that improves airflow and efficiency while complementing the car's bold aesthetics. But this isn't just about looks. Everything on the exterior of the Model 3 Performance serves a purpose, whether it's to improve aerodynamics, enhance range, or provide a more engaging driving experience. Underneath this sleek shell lies a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that propels the 2025 Model 3 Performance from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.1 seconds. That instant torque, combined with Tesla's precise traction control, means you're always in command whether you're launching from a stoplight or carving through tight corners. With a top speed of 162 miles per hour and track-ready suspension tuning, it's not just an electric vehicle, it's a full-on performance machine. Tesla has also improved ride comfort and stability, with recalibrated dampers and stiffer body construction that ensures a smoother yet sportier feel on the road. The battery pack remains efficient, offering an estimated range of around 296 miles on a single charge, which is impressive considering the level of performance packed into this car. Tesla's supercharging network continues to grow, and with support for faster charging speeds, topping up your range is quicker and more convenient than ever. Combine that with over-the-air software updates and smart energy management, and you've got a car that's not only powerful but also incredibly intelligent. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic, minimalist cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional vehicle interior. The new materials feel more premium than ever, with softer textures and better build quality. The centerpiece is still the massive 15.4-inch touchscreen, but it's now brighter, faster, and more intuitive, offering everything from navigation and climate control to entertainment and performance settings. Rear passengers now enjoy an upgraded 8-inch display for climate and media controls, and the sound system has been revamped to deliver a truly immersive experience, with 17 speakers and active noise cancelling that makes every ride peaceful and refined. The new Model 3 Performance also introduces ventilated front seats, customizable ambient lighting, and even quieter cabin insulation, thanks to improved glass and door seals. The panoramic glass roof remains a standout feature, flooding the interior with natural light and enhancing the open, airy feel of the cabin. Storage remains practical, with a generous trunk, and smart storage solutions throughout. Tesla's Autopilot system comes standard, with optional full self-driving capability for those looking to experience the cutting edge of autonomous tech. Safety remains a key selling point, with the 2025 Model 3 Performance expected to retain top crash test ratings and feature an array of driver assistance tools like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. As for pricing, the 2025 Model 3 Performance starts at around $54,000 before incentives. Considering the level of performance, tech, and innovation packed into this car, it's a compelling value in the performance EV space. It's not just a car, it's an experience that merges speed, sustainability, and sophistication. The 2025 Tesla Model 3 Performance isn't trying to blend in, it's here to lead. It's the perfect example of how far EVs have come, delivering track-worthy performance, cutting-edge design, and tech that's years ahead of the curve. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone just looking for the future of driving, the Model 3 Performance is built to impress. Thanks for riding with us on Autospeed's Vibes. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on the latest in high-performance electric machines. Until next time, keep your drive electric and your vibes strong.